Rain on the green grass, rain on the tree, rain on the rooftop, but not on me. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. The rain is raining all around. It falls on field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. I put on my coat and boots on my feet. I put on my hat and stroll down the street. The rain falls down from the clouds above, splashing in puddles is what I love. One red umbrella, one yellow hat, one shiny raincoat, look at that. Two yellow rain boots, one big smile. I think I'll go and walk for a while. One wet puddle just down the lane, one big splash. I love the rain. I like rainy weather, said the yellow duck. Not for me, I want the sun, the hen began to cluck. I think snow is great, Milly nodded her head. In spring, the weather will please each one, the wise weatherman said. Dripsy, dropsy, pitter, patter, falling to the ground. Fast then slow until it stops. Oh, what a welcome sound! Pitter, patter, raindrops falling from the sky. Here is my umbrella to keep me safe and dry. When the rain is over and the sun begins to glow, little flowers start to bud and grow and grow and grow. Puddles are made, buttercups are written, flowers are beautiful, apples trees are grow, leaves call me too. Spring rains, the rain drains, spring, spring, spring. April brings rainstorms, big showers and little drops. It falls from the sky and goes plop, plop, plop. Rain makes big puddles. It is fun to stamp and splash. Black rain clouds are coming. Thunder goes bang, crash. Rain on the green grass, rain on the tree, rain on the rooftop, but not on me.